Okay, be honest. School is starting again, and you're either completely ready, pretending you're ready, or still living like summer vacation is going to last forever. Because somehow, we went from, I'm going to enjoy my holidays, to wait, school starts soon? And suddenly your room is a mess, your sleep schedule is gone, your school bag has probably been untouched for 3 months, and you have absolutely no idea what you're going to wear. But don't worry, because today, we're fixing all of that. This is your ultimate back-to-school glow-up, and the best part? You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars, you don't need a whole new wardrobe, and you definitely don't need to become a completely different person. We're just going to make you feel like the best, freshest, most put-together version of yourself before school starts. So if you're ready, let's start the glow-up. And trust me, don't skip the last few steps. They're the ones that can actually change how your whole school year feels. The My Life is a Mess reset. First, we need to deal with the biggest problem, your room. Look around. If your room currently looks like a tornado came through and then decided to stay, yeah, we're starting here. Put your clothes away, clean your desk, throw away random wrappers, organize those papers that have been sitting there since, I don't even know when, and make your bed. Because somehow, making your bed makes you feel like you've already accomplished something, even though it's literally just a bed. But we don't question it. We accept the motivation, and while you're cleaning, put on your favorite music, because cleaning in silence feels like punishment. Cleaning while listening to your favorite songs, suddenly you're in a movie. The everything shower. Now that your room is clean, it's time for the everything shower, and this is not the normal, quick shower, get out, done. No, we're talking hair wash, body wash, exfoliating if you normally do that, shaving if that's part of your routine, clean pajamas, fresh towel, skincare, the whole thing. And when you're done, you should smell so good that even you are impressed. But don't try 10 new skincare products just because school is starting. Stick to products that already work for you. The goal is fresh skin, not waking up the next morning with your face starting a protest. The hair glow up. Now let's fix the hair. First, give your hair a proper wash and condition, then figure out what hairstyles you're actually going to wear to school. And please, don't choose a hairstyle that takes 45 minutes when you know you're going to wake up 10 minutes before leaving. We need realistic hairstyles. A cute ponytail, a simple braid, a half-up hairstyle, a claw clip, something that looks good without making you late. And here's a little trick. Try your hairstyle before the first day of school, because the first day is not the day to discover that your hair refuses to cooperate. The I have nothing to wear problem. Okay, let's talk about something you wear almost every school day. Your uniform. You don't need a new uniform to look put together. Make sure your uniform is clean, fresh, and properly ironed. Check every piece carefully. Make sure there are no stains, loose threads, or wrinkles. Prepare your uniform before school starts. Keep everything together so you're not searching every morning. If your school allows accessories, choose ones that make your uniform look neat while following the rules. And remember, you don't need to change your uniform to glow up. Clean shoes, neat hair, fresh clothes, and good hygiene make a huge difference. The school bag transformation. Now, bring out your school bag and empty it. Everything. Yes, even that random piece of paper you've been carrying around for no reason. You might find things in there that belong in a museum. An old receipt, a broken pen, a random hair tie, maybe even a snack from 3 months ago. Don't ask questions. Just clean it. Now only put back what you actually need. Pens, pencils, notebooks, highlighters, your charger, tissues, hand sanitizer, lip balm, a small hair tie, and maybe some emergency essentials. Keep everything in little pouches so you can actually find things, because searching for a pen for 5 minutes while your teacher is waiting is not the aesthetic we're going for. Make your boring stationery cute. Now let's make the boring stuff actually fun. You don't need to buy every cute stationery item you see online. Take the stationery you already have and organize it. Choose a simple color theme. Maybe pink, maybe purple, maybe neutral, maybe all black and white. Whatever you like. Add a cute bookmark, a few stickers, maybe a little charm. And suddenly, your boring school supplies don't look so boring anymore. And honestly, cute stationery makes studying feel at least 5% less painful. 5% is still something. We'll take it. The phone reset. Now let's move on to something we all spend way too much time on. Your phone? Open your camera roll. How many screenshots do you have? Exactly, delete them. Delete blurry pictures. Delete random screenshots. Delete memes you're never going to look at again. Uninstall apps you don't use. Organize your home screen. And create folders for school apps, notes, documents, and anything else you'll need. You can even choose a cute new wallpaper. Because if we're starting a new school year,
Our phone needs a little fresh start too.
the sleep schedule. Now, this one might hurt. Your sleep schedule. If you've been sleeping at 3 a.m. during summer, please don't expect yourself to suddenly sleep at 10 p.m. the night before school. Your body is going to be like, "Excuse me?" Start fixing it gradually. Go to bed a little earlier. Wake up a little earlier. And try not to spend the entire night scrolling through TikTok or watching videos. Because waking up for school after 4 hours of sleep is not a glow up. That's survival mode. The little that make you look put together. Now let's talk about the tiny details. Because sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Keep your nails clean, moisturize your hands, use lip balm, keep your shoes clean, keep your hair brushed. Wear a little perfume or body mist if you normally do. And keep a small emergency pouch in your bag. Hair tie, lip balm, tissues, hand sanitizer, whatever you actually use. You don't need to look perfect. You just want to look put together, and there's a huge difference. The night before school. And finally, the night before school. Do not leave everything until midnight. Please, prepare your outfit, pack your bag, charge your phone, set your alarm, prepare your skincare, fill your water bottle, and then go to sleep. Because the goal is to wake up on the first day feeling calm, not running around your room screaming, "Where are my socks?" We are leaving that version of ourselves in the past. The real glow up. Okay, this is the part nobody talks about. The actual glow up isn't your hair. It isn't your clothes. It isn't your makeup. It's your mindset. Because you can have the cutest outfit, the perfect hair, the prettiest bag, and still feel terrible if you're constantly comparing yourself to everyone else. So this school year, stop trying to become someone else. Maybe this year you speak up more. Maybe you stop caring so much about what everyone thinks. Maybe you focus more on your grades. Maybe you make new friends. Maybe you finally start something you've been putting off. Choose a few goals that actually matter to you, not what looks impressive on Instagram, not what someone else is doing. And that's it. Your ultimate back-to-school glow-up is officially complete. But remember, you don't need to completely change yourself before school starts. You don't need perfect skin. You don't need expensive clothes. You don't need a new personality. You just need to take care of yourself, get organized, and walk into that classroom feeling like, yeah, I'm ready. And honestly, that's the real glow up. So clean your room, fix your sleep schedule, organize that bag, take care of yourself, pick your outfits, set your goals. And most importantly, don't spend the entire school year waiting for it to be over. Actually enjoy it. Make memories, try new things, talk to people, take pictures, laugh at stupid things, and make the school year one that you'll actually remember. Because the glow up isn't just about looking better. It's about becoming more confident, more organized, and happier with yourself. And if you're starting school soon, good luck. You've got this. Now go, glow up.